Hello guys, how are you doing? So what we are going to do now, recently I have studied something and I realized how simple trading it is. And in this channel we are going to record my trading journey so far, what I have learned and start to applying that. So start to apply that, the pairs we are going to trade is XAUUSD gold. We are going to trade this pair gold. And the session we are going to trade is in pre London. Pre London session we are going to trade in. This is the session we are going to trade in pre-London and London session. Let's go and generate the dates. Random date generator. Click here. From the month of January, 1st of January till the September. This is the month of September. So today's date is 8th. So we'll go for like 5th of September, the max we are going to include. And the starting day, the week starts for me. The trading day starts for me is from the Monday. So let's get the dates and we'll start with 15th of January, the first one. 15th of Jan or yeah, 15th of Jan or let's do it again. Okay, let's go with March 11th of March. Okay, let me close this 11th of March. Let my C trader use. I would for backtesting. I'm using this C trader platform. It has a inbuilt feature of backtesting the market replay, so I'm using that feature. 11th of March. 11th of March. The timing we are going to start trading is from the 10 a.m. Indian Standard Time. I'm talking about. So the initial capital is going to be 25K and we start. Let it load and let's do this. Let's go to the time we are going to start trading. It's from 10. Okay. So we'll go with the timings you are going to see is right here. Here you are going to see the times. Okay. Right here on the right hand side. So what I have realized, let me tell you what I have learned so far. So market moves in this phase. If we are in an uptrend, we have to wait for a support to be created for the next candle to go further, creating a new high or retesting that high. In an uptrend, I'm talking about this. And in a downtrend, a low should be created and a retest should happen. And then we take a trade right here at this moment of time for the candle to go further bearish, to retest this low or to further go bearish or to go further bearish from here. So this is the simple trading strategy I have done. So the trading strategy is nothing but supply and demand, support and resistance trader, or you can say as a price action trader. I started learning this and I'll record my journey how it goes. So this is what we have seen. So this is what we call as support. Support is where support is formed when a bearish after a bearish candle, a bullish candle formed. This is the way a support is formed. So this is the support we got, and the resistance we got here is this one. This is the resistance. So the next resistance is here. This is the next resistance. Okay. So what we are looking for is if we buy right here, there's a range of like 38 pips and the stops were like 19, 20 pips. So we can initiate a buy because the range was quite good and the stops were good. And the lot size we are using is one lot. Let's go with the buys. Stops going to be here and targeting this high. Let's play. The thing is, we can always manage our trade. We can't predict the market where it goes, but we can always manage our trades. That's what we can do always. The things which are in our hand is our risk. That's the only thing which is are in our hand. Okay, the candle close is bearish, so it's better close. because, well, okay, let's see. If this candle starts to break the high of the previous candle, then we can move our stops here. And if it doesn't, then it is what it is. It's not breaking the high here. So it's better for us to close this trade if it starts to break. Yeah, this is the time I have closed this trade right here because I don't want to get my risk or risk. Okay, we got stopped out. Okay, we are going to trade a single trade, so it's better for me to take trade with the trend. Okay, what's the current trend? What I am seeing is in downtrend, so it's better for me to take the sell. Okay, now we should wait for a retest to happen. A retest happen, waiting for a resistance from. Huh. So at this moment of time, it's a better to take a sell for the candle to go bearish. So we are going to take a sell with the maximum number of trades I'm going to take is two. That's it. And we're initiating to take like 30 pips out of it. Can we get it? Okay, let's go for the 22 pips. Wait for the candle to start to break. Yeah, this candle starts to break the low, then we can manage our stops because this is the second trade. Second trade of the day, so we have to manage our stop efficiently. So let this candle close. Okay, this candle closes bearish and we got stopped out. So done for the day. Okay, after that it did go bearish, but we have managed our trade quite efficiently. That's a really good thing. Let's go to the another day. 10 a.m. Yes, here we go. We are at 10 a.m. right now, and this is the support we have created, and this is the resistance. So we are waiting for the candle to close above this resistance to go further bullish up, or else for sells we have to wait for the candle to break below this area to go further bearish. In within this range we have to wait. We can't take buy or sell in this range. We have to wait for the candle to break above or below that range. Okay, this candle does close bullish above this range, you can see. So we can initiate a buy here, but the stops were like too big of a stop. 27 pips, it's a big stop, so it's better for us to take buys when then this candle breaks the high of the previous candle. First, this candle has to create a low. Once it creates a low and starts to break the high of the previous candle, we can initiate a buy for the candle to go further bullish up. Let's see how the market goes. This candle starts to break the high as well as this candle has been moved, and we can initiate a buy with a stop like this. Okay, we can always manage our trade. Okay, we are in profit of like 20-21 pips, so we can close our trade or we can let this trade run. So I'll better let this trade run to hit our TP. Okay, because there's a clean range to the left hand side. Here is the clean range we got. So I'm now not aiming for this whole range to be filled. I'm aiming for this much only, not the whole range to be fulfilled. I'll be waiting. Okay, okay, this candle has, let's go. Okay, this candle start close the bullish candle. Okay, this candle starts to bearish. Okay, and we hit our target. That's it. We are done for the day. We'll have to come tomorrow. One trade a day. That's it. Next day, we have to come to the next day. We have started our trading on 11th. I back tested it, but okay. We have started our day on 11th. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have, this is Thursday and the next day is Friday. So we are in at support. So what we can do, we can buy or sell. We can't do anything because the candles has broken the low. So if the next candle starts to break the low of this candle, we have a clean range to be filled. But we have already moved this far. So it's better to wait for a retest to happen. It's better for us to break and a retest to happen to go further bearish down. This is what I'm aiming for. Break and retest. That's what market does most of the time. So okay, retest happen. So it's a good idea for us to take a sell, but it's rejecting this area. This candle starts to reject because previously it has rejected area. Now it starts to rejecting, but we have created a resistance so far and ready to go bearish. So I'll go with this sell here. And the stops were above this candle, 7 pips of a stop. Target this candle's low, like 20 pips. That's it. And wait for the candle. Okay, the candle starts to go bearish. But the thing is, it didn't go to create a high. So it's better for us to manage a trade. There's a high probability it might reject again because this previous candle has rejected this area. So there's a high probability this candle also reject the area. So we'll better move our stops here. So 14 pips, no problem. We did hit. Okay, we got that 14 pips out of it. Okay, it did go bearish, but there's a high probability now that the market might retest here because we have already moved so many pips. We have moved around like 69 pips, so it's better to retest. You see, and we have taken a single trade a day. Let's go to the next day. This is the last trading day we are going to trade upon. 10th, it's Friday. What we are looking at is this is the recent resistance we got, and this is the recent support we got. So we can't take buy or sell at this moment in time. So we have to wait for the candle to break and close above this area for the candle to go bullish. So let's wait. Okay, this candle closed bullish. The next candle closes bullish, but it's still below this resistance. So wait for that candle to close. Okay, there's no confirmation for us to take the trade. So it's better for us to wait for a retest to happen to go further bullish up. So I'll wait for that retest to happen. Retest happening. Okay, this candle closes bullish, but there's a range like 17 pips. We can't take the buy because the range is small. At least we need a range of like 25 pips to be taken a trade. So we have to wait for a retest to happen, better retest to happen. Okay. Okay, retest happen, a good strong confirmation candle happen. Once this candle starts to break the high of the previous candle, we can take a buy with a stop of like 15 pips. So we have to wait. Okay, this candle starts to break the high, but it's better. Yeah, the low has to be created. Let's go to the next candle. Okay, okay. When this candle starts to break the high of the previous candle, we can initiate a buy for us to fill this range. There's a good range for us to fill. So we'll wait for a yes, starts to break. So I'll go with the buy stops will be like 10, 11 pips, targeting this 20 pips, 20, 21 pips. That's it. Okay. It, it did. Okay. It's retesting. Okay. It is what it is. So we are in a profit of like $182. For a week, we are in good. So I'll upload this first and we will start doing this same so that I can improve on my trading skills. I'll keep on uploading my this videos on YouTube so that I can keep the track of how I traded, and what improvement I have to do. So it's good for me as well as if you guys are interested, you can start learning the same because this the place I've learned this simple strategies from the Raja banks. So I started applying the same thing. And the thing is, we losses are inevitable. We are not going to eliminate loss, but we can always reduce our risk. Risk is something that which is in our hand, and we can always mitigate the risk or eliminate the risk. So suppose my daily risk percentage is like let me take a better example. If I able to risk $100 a day in the stop for like 20 pips, and we are going to take like 0.5 lot, 0.5 lot per trade. If the risk 0.5 lot, okay, this one 0.5 lot, okay. So if our risk is of like 20 pips, if we are risking $100 for 20 pips, what I can do is I can always lose less than what I have anticipated already. So if it's better for me to lose like $80, I have to lose less than $100. That's what I always want to lose. Always lose less than what you have anticipated to lose. Okay, let me do this. Okay. So if I'm risking for $100, I always want myself to be get out of this trade at $80 or $90. I have to save $10 at least for a day. And the number of trades I'm going to take in a day is one or two maximum. One or two trades max. Mostly I go with the one trade a day, but you can go with one or two trades a day, and the risk percentage you are going to take is like 1% to maximum of 2%, not more than that. Because if you are risking more than that, then this is going to create some problems. So it's better for us to understand this. Okay.